everyone, and welcome to Swan Lake Lifestyle. My name is Olivia and I'm a lifelong ballerina and classical musician. Today I'm going to show you a quick how-to and a bit of a vlog about how to set up your next fall gathering. So go ahead and grab a nice warm drink, get cozy, and let's get into the video. Hello everyone! Today I'm sharing tips to host a memorable and festive gathering for any occasion, whether it's a Friendsgiving, birthday, holiday party, or just a celebration of good times with loved ones. My example footage is from my fall luxury birthday picnic, but these ideas can be customized for any event, so let's go ahead and get started. Every great gathering starts with thoughtful planning. One of the first things I recommend is setting a color palette or theme for your event. This helps align your decor, table settings, and even guest attire if you want to add that extra touch. For my picnic, I chose warm fall tones like orange, red, and gold. When it comes to invites, I used Partyful, an easy app and also just a web page for managing RSVPs. Setting an RSVP deadline is crucial because it helps you know how many people you can expect so that you can plan food and supplies. If you're supplying food, add a poll to ask guests about dietary restrictions. For example, my mom and I made sure to include vegan options for a close friend who's vegan. It's those little details that really make guests feel like they're cared for. If you're supplying food, balance catering with simple DIY options to save time. And don't forget drinks. A signature drink like spiced cider or a holiday mocktail is always a hit. For dessert, I decorated my bundt cake with these sparkly leaf toppers from Amazon. They added such a festive touch. When it comes to setup, give yourself plenty of time so you can enjoy the process. For my picnic, I created cozy luxury seating by layering blankets and pillows on my screened patio. I added textured tablecloths, a pop of color with an orange table runner, and festive decor like garlands, pumpkins, and candles. For a functional yet fun party favor, I bought fall-themed glasses, along with straws so that guests could use them during the event to keep track of their drinks and then take home as keepsakes. Entertainment is key for making your event memorable and enjoyable. I gave everyone a mini canvas and paint set to create their own artwork. I also had a projector playing an aesthetic fall jazz YouTube video, which helped all my guests settle in and relax. Later, we played Fibbage and some other fun party games, which were such a blast. Whether it's games, crafts, or perhaps even roasting marshmallows, adding a fun activity ensures your guests stay engaged and connected. After setup, don't forget to give yourself time to get ready. I treated myself to a mint tea from the catering restaurant and then did my hair and makeup. My favorite makeup palette is from Flower & Nose, and you can use the code Swan Lake for 5% off your order if you want to shop some of their gorgeous cosmetics and perfumes. All of their products are super aesthetic and absolutely gorgeous, and some of my favorite ones are from their Swan Lake line. As you could tell because of my channel theme and everything, but they have tons of other beautiful themes as well. Anyway, I finished off my look for the party with a new necklace that my boyfriend gifted me. It's a dainty ballerina treble clef design that felt so meaningful and matched my outfit perfectly for the occasion since I was going for fall colors. Even though I didn't capture many photos or videos from the actual event because I wanted to live in the moment, the event turned out beautifully. So whether it's a birthday, holiday, or just a chance to gather, the most important thing is definitely celebrating with those who matter most. So my party was on a Saturday, but my actual birthday fell on a weekday, which I spent a meaningful day with my boyfriend. I started the day with an early morning smoothie and some anime, which is my go-to way to relax, before heading out for a lovely brunch with my boyfriend. We took some time to relax in the afternoon, and we ended the day with an incredible dinner at a Japanese restaurant in Miami. What also made this birthday special was celebrating with my parents, receiving heartfelt messages from friends and family, and reflecting on how grateful I am for this past year. Earlier in the year, I had a medical emergency that was rather scary, so being able to celebrate another birthday really felt like a blessing this year. So there you have it. I hope that your fall gathering is a memorable one, and thank you so much for tuning in today. If you liked today's video, please like, comment, share, subscribe, all those good things that would really help out my channel, and also keep you in the loop for future videos. By the way, I am a ballet teacher, and I would love for you to tune into my beginner ballet playlist. You can check it above or in the description box below, and in that playlist you can learn how to dance ballet for free with no experience needed, and you'll learn how to dance from your very first lesson. So thank you again for joining me. I hope that you all have a very fun and festive fall and holiday season, and I hope to see you again soon. Take care.